Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the trigonometry table easily. We'll focus on the 6 fundamental trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Understanding the values for standard angles like 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees is absolutely essential. These values are the building blocks for solving countless problems in geometry and physics, making this table a cornerstone of your mathematical toolkit. Let's start with a simple hand trick to remember sine values. Hold your left hand up, palm facing you. Assign your thumb to 0 degrees, index finger to 30, middle to 45, ring to 60, and pinky to 90 degrees. To find the sine of an angle, count the number of fingers below the assigned finger, take its square root, and divide by 2. For example, for 30 degrees, there is 1 finger below, so sine of 30 is 1/2. Once you have the sine values down, finding cosine is straightforward. The cosine values are simply the sine values in reverse order. For instance, sine of 90 degrees is 1, so cosine of 0 degrees is 1. To find tangent, just divide the sine value by the cosine value for each angle. Remember, tangent of 90 degrees is undefined because you would be dividing by 0, which is not allowed in mathematics. Mastering the trigonometry table requires consistent practice. Regularly write down the table from memory and check your answers. Apply these values to solve various problems involving right-angled triangles and angles of elevation or depression. The more you use these values, the more ingrained they become. This consistent review will significantly boost your speed and accuracy in solving complex trigonometric equations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.